Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove someone from a Snapchat group. It's pretty quick and easy. So first of all, you just have to open up Snapchat and then you just have to tap on this chat icon here. So you just have to go one of the group at the very top to give you an example how you can remove them. So I will tap on the profile icon to the top left here. So you can see if I tap at the very top right, it gives me the ability to leave the group or to add members, but it doesn't give me the ability to remove someone from this group. So of course I can leave the group, but if I want to say kick someone out of a group, if we just don't like interacting with them, you have two different options. One of your option, the easiest option, is just to create a new group without that one specific person. So by creating a new group without them, they won't know that you've created a new group. You can carry on your conversation with everybody except that one specific person. Or if you really want to kick them out of this group, what you can do is tap and hold on somebody's name and then tap on this manage friendship. And now here what you can do is either block or remove that friend. So for instance, if you block them, then they will be removed from the group, and then you can always unblock them down the road if you want to, or you can completely remove them as a friend and it will remove them from this group chat. But of course, they know in both instances that you blocked or removed them because they will be kicked it out of that chat. So what I would recommend is just getting out of here and just tapping the pencil icon at the very bottom right here and tapping new group and just create a new group with the members that you do want in a specific group. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.